Wow, the arterial artery has lost so far, but it's only because of its advantages. In fact, it's just an in-depth evaluation of iQOO, which is a variable with the second representative of 68. Where is the skin grafting foam? This value is worthless. Open the box and turn off the mobile phone. It is recommended that there is also an exception charging cable with a 20-watt power adaptive function. The cardboard is sold as a special edition. The color is a certain kind of green. It looks very comfortable, and the actual measurement is about 205 points, but the thickness is about 100 millimeters. Although the weight is quite satisfactory, it benefits from the huge screen and scattered surface. The pressure man's hand feeling is not heavy. The back shell is matched with the strong and powerful metal middle frame, which also strengthens the resistance of the whole mechanism reform. The parts with good food intake are the card slot, microphone and speaker on the right side, and only the microphone and infrared interface on the top. It is worth noting that although the top is a speaker hole, it has closed stereo dual speakers, which can block the sound without swimming pool configuration, and the microphone is provided with a vertically elongated design. When you go to the wrong hole to watch his shape, you don't have the urge to insert her. This price ratio, in fact, the Chinese side is not full screen, and it took a long time to meet when there was a slightly raised co-production material. Display GPS setting brightness up to 1800 meters, can display the effect of the usage of the game you choose. Smooth and power-saving white difference 1444 high-frequency dimming relative to the internet technology equipped with iPhone's second-generation Snapdragon 8CX 4.0 is the Star Energy Iron Triangle Cloth the same day compensation, or there is no problem with the game. The self-developed chip has 20 liters of game and influenceability, and the above-mentioned test Dual-X vertical linear motor also makes the game experience even better. You can use the developer mode when playing Chicken, the discovery rate is high, and the production high efficiency. In Kaiser's game, the original game pin and the screen lever left border equipment include variable mapping, and the part of the screen lever that disperses complex operations can significantly improve the control efficiency, optimize the game experience, and let you play. One of the coolest things is that the experience of the Glory of the King has no flaws and the highest picture quality. The basic batch is simple, without any stuttering and frame drop. After feeling the voltage, it has indeed improved the hero's survivability, and the feeling of hanging is no exception. It is very fun to play, although you may not be able to beat others in the game. 3 degrees Celsius is limited by 50 million pixels, and the sensor iOS optical image stabilization, and 13 million pixels human camera version wide-angle lens real shot samples. When the light is sufficient during the day, the picture in the 4 major scenes is delicate, the color is good, people like pure vegetation, and enterprises have better after the picture quality performance. All the proofs taken were shared, and then the video shooter had an accident. The resolution is good, and the color can naturally be used as Appleton's photography. As for the night scene proofs, the color is quite amazing. You all know, in addition, the super wide angle is enough, not as much as imagined, but the picture quality is not bad. It is still the building world, even if it can accept damage and shadow. With infrared support, TFC has pressure sensitivity. The thickness of the fingerprint unlocking screen under the screen is moderate, not as stunning as the curved screen, but fortunately the top and both sides are the same width as the bone. It still looks technological, and the support evaluation tempered film will be more easy, but if you are a heavy gamer, these high-level words, this book feels like the latest best value for money gaming phone in the future. With this number, he won the Druglord Longba flagship performance difference. Ping to battery 128 flash charge and various rich quality. If you like to play game on a high resolution with powerful battery and performance, then must consider this iQOO phone. Now I am going to watch some motivational video, and you must like my video and subscribe my channel, and I see you in next video. Bye.
This is me.